Fancy unlocking the secrets of ethical hacking in the year 2024? Well, you're in the right place because here are the top 5 books that will set you on the path to becoming a cybersecurity virtuoso. Starting with number 5, we have Hacking: The Art of Exploitation by John Erickson. This book is like the magic decoder ring of the hacking world. It doesn't just tell you how to spot vulnerabilities in a system, it teaches you why they exist and how to think creatively to exploit them. The book is a perfect blend of theory and practicality, and it even comes with a live CD that provides a Linux programming and debugging environment. All in all, Erickson's book is the perfect toolbox for any aspiring ethical hacker. Coming in at number 4 is Metasploit: The Penetration Tester's Guide by David Kennedy and team. Metasploit is a must-have skill for any cybersecurity enthusiast, and this book is your Metasploit masterclass. It'll teach you how to master the framework used for developing, testing, and executing exploits. The book dives into real-world scenarios, helping you understand not just the how, but the why of Metasploit. The number 3 spot goes to the Web Application Hacker's Handbook, Finding and Exploiting Security Flaws by David Studdard and Marcus Pinto. This book is like your personal guide through the labyrinth of web application security. It covers a wide array of topics, from core concepts of web hacking to advanced techniques used by professionals. It's a treasure trove of knowledge on identifying and exploiting vulnerabilities in web applications. Sliding into number 2, we have The Basics of Hacking and Penetration Testing by Patrick Engebretson. This book is a beginner-friendly gateway to the world of ethical hacking. It provides a step-by-step journey through the various phases of the hacking process, from reconnaissance to covering your tracks. It's the perfect starting point for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of ethical hacking. And now, drumroll please! Claiming the top spot is Ghost in the Wires: My Adventures as the World's Most Wanted Hacker by Kevin Mitnick. This is not just a book, it's an adventure. Mitnick, once the FBI's most wanted because of his hacking, takes you on a thrilling journey through his life. This book is an exciting blend of autobiography and technical manual, providing insights into the mind of a hacker and the skills needed to become one. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 books to kickstart your journey into ethical hacking in 2024. To recap, we've got 1. Ghost in the Wires: My Adventures as the World's Most Wanted Hacker by Kevin Mitnick 1. The Basics of Hacking and Penetration Testing by Patrick Engebretson 1. The Web Application Hacker's Handbook, Finding and Exploiting Security Flaws by David Studdard and Marcus Pinto. 1. Metasploit: The Penetration Tester's Guide by David Kennedy and Team 1. Hacking: The Art of Exploitation by John Erickson. So, pick up these books, dive into the captivating world of ethical hacking, and who knows, maybe someday you'll be the one writing a book about your cybersecurity adventures. Until then, happy reading!